good? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, and we back with another one, baby. So today's topic, we reviewing them Valentine's Day Air Jordan Ace, man. A team little feet out here, man. You know, this holiday, this year, man, I feel like Jordan Brand has just been, and Nike has just been like murdering the scene, man. They stepping on Adidas' neck. They're not giving them no room to breathe, man. I don't know what's going on. Well, we know what's going on, but I mean, damn. You know what I'm saying? But first tribute for Team Lil Feet, man. We definitely got these fire Valentine's Day thing kicks, man, for the ladies, man. So, your boy just wanted to come through, give you all a brief, detail, a brief review, man. Let y'all, see the sneakers up close, so you can formulate your opinions, baby. These things were actually super, super limited, man. I think here in Chicago, they only dropped at one store, which is 32 South State, the Jordan Brand flagship store, man. I went in there, my boys are telling me people were camped out all night, man. All night last night for these, man, which is crazy because, dude, literally we were in like inclement weather warning, like we got about 12 inches of snow. It was like snowpocalypse out here. You know what I'm saying? So the fact that, the heads, they still needed these, you know what I'm saying? Y'all some good dudes out there, man. Making they ladies very, very happy women, on this Valentine's Day, man. But, super, super limited shoe. I know for a fact Nike Town didn't get them. You know what I'm saying? This is literally a Jordan Brand, Jordan Store exclusive shoe, man. So you definitely had to put your work in to get these this morning. But like, that's it for me rambling. Let's get into a few detailed shots of the shoe. Let's talk about it. All right, y'all. So, Valentine's Day, Jordan Ace, man, for the ladies. Receipt, 32 South State. Get it up out of here. But, I mean, right off the back, man, look at this paper. We got the nice little detailing with the hearts. That's super dope, man. Jordan Brand this year, they definitely added another additional detail. I believe that's like one of the holiday cards. We not the Valentine's Day card that Jordan put in there, and I think it's completely customizable. I'm gonna add a picture above. Y'all can kind of see what that thing look like. Very dope. We ain't gonna open that up though, because these already been shipped out. We want to say that for the person these belong to. But really, really dope accessory. Getting into the shoes. So man, as you know, man, the paper opening up 4 ways, man. Like it's a box of chocolates or something. I think that's a really dope touch. Pull the shoes out. I like the way they got them double wrapped up like that too. Especially this way, y'all. Let's get that put away. We'll fix it later. As my man Former Sensor would say, bang bang, a gang gang. You already know. But man, right out the back, man, these things smell like incredible. Like dang near like that OG1 smell, man. I don't know what kind of suede Jordan Brand used on these, but definitely quality smell at the least. We got the chrome finish on the lace locks right there. No glitter effect on the midsole. Bottom. Nice, man. The red on these, definitely kind of like a true red on these. I'm actually kind of surprised. Like typically, Jordan like to do like funky stuff with the colors, but the red on these are like really, really nice. And if you're looking at like this pink in the paint job on the guard right here, that's like more of an infrared color. You can't really get the actual color, but it's super, super subtle, y'all.
Like, men could have definitely wore these with no problems. They've been all good, man. You see the carpet patch that's typically, you know, on the Jordan 8 ton, man. Got the heart in there, man. That's a nice little touch, man. Dope little touch right there. Inside, you got roses on the bed. The white jump, man. Dope. But I mean, that's it, y'all. These things are dope, man. Dope, dope, dope. I definitely wouldn't mind having it. So, actually, we got another like quick little low-key detail Jordan added in there and the straps. See if we can read that. Loves me not. That's dope, man. This gotta be like the top, probably like the best, probably top 3, in my opinion, probably best Valentine's Day shoe Jordan ever came out with for the ladies. Period. Bar none.
So my closing thoughts, man, definitely a dope shoe. This Valentine's Day for the ladies, man. Jordan brand really, you know, did us in, fellas, man. Like, again, you know, y'all know, all red my favorite color, man. 8's my second favorite silhouette. Like, these would definitely a go for me, man, if they would have came out of my size. But you know, we team both gang, team big feet, size 13. It is what it is. But, you know, if you look for, you know, a dope gift to get your lady, man, on Valentine's Day, these would definitely be it, man. Jordan definitely pulled out all the stops from the packaging, from the colorway, from the model, man. The details on these things are crazy. Yeah, man. Fire. Fire, 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 fire. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer again. You already know how we rocking. Gang, gang. Peace. We out.